QM02, enter. My notification is this. Press enter key. Change the testing schedule. Continue with the strategy which is specified is this. For all these maintenance items, we have to assign the task list which will be used. So my group was 165 and group counter is 1. Press enter key. Error message that the transaction which is in QM engineering workbench CWBQM, enter. Select the working area as operation for the task list. Continue and enter the filter for this enter key. Click on load task list. Go to the task list, select headers from this. It's at present in the display mode. So select change strategy for the stability study. Select this and press enter key. Now again go to the task list and click on maintenance package. Here you will be specifying the package to be used. Selecting one, then press enter key. Okay, is added. After 3 months and after 6 months, that data is maintained. Click on save. Notification QM02, enter. My notification is this. Press enter key. Select change testing schedule. Yes. Also, if you want, you can change it. So for all these maintenance items, we have to assign the task list, which will select the line item and go to the item. In the lower half, you need to specify your group input counter detail, the task list which should be used for that particular maintenance item, and I am entering that. Select the next, and now it is to maintain the same information for all the line items which. So I'm just doing that. Enter. In the item overview, now the task list is assigned. Specify the start date also. So enter key and then click on save. It is actually IP02 transaction.